The general ledger is the backbone of business accounting. Let's break down what it is and why it matters for tracking money. At its simplest, a ledger is the master record of every financial transaction a business makes over its entire life. The golden rule of the ledger is double entry accounting, where every single transaction impacts two different accounts to maintain perfect balance. The ledger categorizes every movement of money into these core buckets, creating a complete picture of the company's financial health. Think of the journal as a daily diary of transactions, while the ledger is the organized filing system that groups them together. Information flows from raw transactions into journals, gets sorted into the ledger, and finally populates the financial statements used by stakeholders. When you look at a well-maintained ledger, you are looking at the historical narrative of how a business manages its resources. Understanding the ledger helps you read financial statements with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.